Undertaker. फुल मजे करने का have fun. आएगा have fun. जेट भी चला रही है. Look at her having fun. Look at भैया having fun. Hello, mommy. What's up? मजा आया? Yeah boy. Thank you भैया. मजा आया मम्मी? चलो. हाँ जी, तो आ चुके हैं हम पॉलियम बीच पे और मम्मी ने आती है अपने बार्गेनिंग स्टाइल स्टार्ट कर दिया. बोला देखो 100 का दो तो लेंगे वरना नहीं लेंगे. तो शॉपकीपर ने क्या बोला? जमाना गया. लेकिन फिर भी मम्मी ने बार्गेन कर लिया. सो ये हैट्स लिए मम्मी और भाभी ने. Joining us today is Mr. Papa. Palolem beach is one of the famous beaches of South Goa. While walking through the beach, we enjoyed the beautiful scenery we saw through our eyes. But it was the noon time, that's why it was not the right time to come to the beach. But thankfully the winds were blowing, which helped us. Well, it was amazing to see how beautiful South Goa is. And to come to the Palolem beach was one of the main thing which was on our list. The waves of the oceans were amazing. You know who had a lot of fun? It was my mother. She was smiling throughout. And you know, to see your mother smile is one of the best feeling. So yes, she was happy and we were happy too. At the Palolem beach. Man, it's quite windy. The waves are nice. And we're having fun. So it was time to say goodbye to the beach and head back to the resort. So Bhaiya, it's time to say goodbye to Goa. Until next time. Well, it was time to check out from the resort and head to the airport. While on our way to the airport, I thought of all the good things I did in South Goa. You know, the churches we went to, the Fisherman Wharf, the food of its restaurant was so good. The cycling, you know, having fun with the family at the beach, it was all so good. South Goa is a must and Goa is India's best tourist place. So thumbs up if you like this video and take care. While I take the flight back to Patna, you can take a flight to Goa. जैकी चैन का चेला, काम के कसम